Imagine how much more efficient your shop would be if your techs had access to more complete repair data, easily accessible in a single, streamlined system.
I had a technician that started with us in April, and he was really into Mitchell, and he kept saying, please can we get Mitchell, please can we get to Mitchell? And I said, fine. It's just been a great ride ever since, I've got to tell you that. It's been very simple, and just the efficiency is so much easier. We get through cars quicker.
That's ProDemand from Mitchell 1. We've combined complete OEM information with experience-based information to put the industry's most comprehensive repair data right at your fingertips, so you can spend your time repairing vehicles, not searching for information.
The whole system itself is really good, but wire diagrams, I mean, it's really good. And it gives you a color code so you could actually, trace the wire to the loom and kind of see what the problem is. See if it's, it's not a broken wire or, a bad computer or something.
For my techs that are a little more seasoned but aren't as computer savvy, it's been very easy for them to point and click, get the information that they need, and easily print and find the information, the data that they need to repair the car.
Our exclusive SureTrack feature adds to the power of ProDemand with diagnostic tools like real fixes, commonly replaced parts data, and guided component tests, plus an interactive community of expert techs who have solved the same repair issues that you face in your shop.
Where I'm stuck, it kind of helps me jump into something else, maybe where I wouldn't even bother looking. So that's a good program to have, the SureTrack, because like I said, it does help you in diagnosing.
And ProDemand is integrated with Manager SE, Mitchell 1's industry-leading shop management solution. So all the estimating and repair information in ProDemand is just a click away.
Anything I need to do, it's all there. Mitchell covers all the bases. Once I print it up, it's all ready to go, and it's perfect. Super quick, like I said, super efficient. I love it.
One of the greatest things is that I've found just a one-stop shop where it's one provider, one solution on everything that I've needed so far. Since we started using your product, I've doubled my sales, literally. And that can be a combination of things, but I believe the largest part of it is how efficient we are now with Mitchell. Mitchell 1 really helps my shop fix more cars, and that's what it's all about, right?
Contact us to learn more about how ProDemand from Mitchell 1 can help you fix more cars.